Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at a Chase ATM. First, ensure your debit or credit card is correctly set up within your Apple Wallet application, making sure it is ready for use. Also, confirm your chosen card is active and that your device has plenty of battery life before you leave. Taking these simple preparatory steps ensures a much smoother and more successful transaction at the machine. To begin, you need to locate a Chase ATM that supports contactless payments. Look for the distinct contactless symbol, which resembles 4 curved lines prominently displayed on the machine. Not every Chase ATM has this technology, so using the Chase mobile application is a great way to find the closest compatible one near you. This ensures you do not make a wasted trip. Once at the correct ATM, wake your iPhone and double-click the side button or open Apple Wallet on your Apple Watch. Then, gently hold the top of your phone or the face of your watch close to the ATM's contactless reader. Your device will prompt you to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, quickly verifying your identity for the transaction. After successful authentication, the ATM screen will guide you to enter your 4-digit personal identification number. You will then select your desired transaction, for example, a cash withdrawal, and specify the amount. Remember to take your cash, any printed receipt, and your card after the transaction finishes, ensuring all steps are complete and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.